I'm waiting for Uber.
Uber?
Who are you?
I'm just a friend. I'm just passing by and I saw you. I was like, let me help you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, what's up? How are you?
I'm.
Do you like what you see?
This man.
Wow, pretty lady.
Who is it?
Wait. This is me here. Can't you see me?
No, I can't see. I lost
Oh.
my sight.
Sorry. Fine girl like you. How are you? What are you not doing under this hot sun?
I'm waiting for Uber.
Uber?
Who are you?
I'm just a friend. I'm just passing by and I saw you. I was like, let me help you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, what's up? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay now. Have you booked the ride?
Yes, I've booked the ride. Somebody
Okay,
help
now.
me to book the ride.
Okay, don't worry. I will wait with you there.
Oh, thank you so much. God bless you.
I'll wait.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. You're
Are
a
you
nice
fine?
person.
I'm very nice. That's it. That's just it.
Thank
I'm a
you
very
so
nice
much,
person. Yes. I'm a very nice person. Yeah, my car. Yeah, my car. Oh, my car. My phone. Hey, my phone. Where she dey? Blind girl. Blind girl. Jesus. Hey. Car where they just use send me message. Jesus. Hey, wait I want tell Oga. Wait I want tell my Oga. Oh, they don't carry my car. They don't carry car go. Oh, blind girl. No